So, Leon, could you just give me like an override, a run of what you're about and what you do?
Sure. Name reality, it's a two-part system. The first part shows how from birth your given documented names create a blueprint, an energy blueprint that influence your personality, your character, your virtues, vices, and your mental and physical health, for better or for worse. The second part of this system shows how individual letters from each of your names rotate in a specific sequence every year of your life. And we can actually produce a chart that shows which letters are active in any given year of your life. And again, it's the combination of these letters which show the influences that create events in your life and how you go about your life and how you deal with these events and when they come in and when they go out. It's quite an incredible system. Briefly, picture a piano. Take one finger. You can touch any key on a piano and for the most it'll sound good. Some sound a little better than others, but any one finger on a piano sounds pretty good. Now when you take two or three fingers, or especially two hands, and you have to press several keys at the same time, it's very important you press the right combination of keys. If you don't, you can be a little bit out of tune. Or if you get them completely wrong, you can actually make quite a horrible noise. Well, your names apply a similar action.
Right, very interesting. Now I know you've written a book, and we'll get to that later on,
Yeah.
but is there a difference between here, numerology, and what you're saying with the name analysis and what you do?
Big difference. There are different types of numerology. The two most popular are the Western version, and then there's the older Chaldean version. There's other little offshoots as well. Numerology is very good, very good. It provides a lot of great information. However, this system, when you start to discover it, you'll actually see that it is very different. It goes down avenues and paths that's not touched with numerology. The only similarity is that we do use numbers for calculations. So when you perhaps look at a page that I have in the book that shows how we use numbers referring to letters of the alphabet, you go, oh, well, this is numerology. That's basically where it ends. The great thing about this system that sets it apart from anything else is it's the only system that actually shows certain aspects of your life, for example, mental and physical health situations and how you actually deal with it. And it's the only system which you can actually use to completely analyze a name to the extent that you can actually change or modify a name by altering the spelling, or, for example, removing your middle name that you perhaps don't use very frequently and substituting it with something else. And of course, if you're having a child, if you're having a baby, you can use this system to actually create a name with specific personality traits and create specific positive events throughout the life of that person using this system.